Working on my '02 Buick Regal LS. It's one of these mystery mileage vehicles. Bought it at an auction for $650. It probably has a Christmas tree dash. Yeah, low oil. That's a good sign. But anyway, the see where my finger is? The odometer does not read out. So there should be a couple of screws. Sorry about that. This one's all honky up. Yeah, this one's zip tied. Pop all these little tabs. Get this back cover off. My finger's pointing. There's a row of 4. Should be 4 resistors. One's missing. Over here, it's the same deal. There should be a row of 3. One's missing. Now, I didn't get direct fit. I just bought these. They're like 150 to 180 ohm half watt resistors off eBay for $3. Just gotta solder these on a little bit. Put a little solder on there. I can't find a smaller iron right now. Didn't stick. Okay, now I'll go plug it in. So, goes together as it came apart. Everything snaps. Make sure to put the trip odometer reset back in. I have forgotten to do that once on a Buick.